Hi everyone, in our last few lessons we've been working with the verb to hate in French, which is détester. We learned how to conjugate détester in the present tense. Je déteste, tu détestes, il déteste, elle déteste, on déteste, vous détestez. We learned to use the forms of détester with a noun. For example, if I want to say I hate mice, I would say je déteste les souris, I hate cockroaches. Je déteste les cafards, I hate mosquitoes. Je déteste les moustiques. In this lesson, we are going to learn that instead of using a noun, you can also use the conjugated forms of détester with an infinitive to express the idea that you hate to do something or that you hate doing something. For example, if I want to say in French, I hate to work, or I hate working, it's really the same thing in English. We have two ways of expressing the same idea. I hate to work, I hate working. I can say, je déteste travailler. I hate to clean, or I hate cleaning. Je déteste nettoyer. I hate to wait, or I hate waiting. Je déteste attendre. You hate to work, or you hate working. Tu détestes travailler. You hate to clean or you hate cleaning. Tu détestes nettoyer. You hate to wait or you hate waiting. Tu détestes attendre. He hates to work or he hates working. Il déteste travailler. He hates to clean or he hates cleaning. Il déteste nettoyer. He hates to wait or he hates waiting. Il déteste attendre. She hates to work or she hates working. Elle déteste travailler. She hates to clean or she hates cleaning. Elle déteste nettoyer. She hates to wait or she hates waiting. Elle déteste attendre. We hate to work or we hate working. On déteste travailler. We hate to clean or we hate cleaning. On déteste nettoyer. We hate to wait or we hate waiting. On déteste attendre. You hate to work or you hate working. Vous détestez travailler. You hate to clean or you hate cleaning. Vous détestez nettoyer. You hate to wait or you hate waiting. Vous détestez attendre. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen, and I'll see you soon. À bientôt.